What's up, y'all? It's Elgin Woodside back at it again with another video. Just in case y'all don't know me, I am the founder of the Workman Network. I'm also a mechanical engineer, and also I'm a licensed real estate agent in the state of Louisiana, doing real estate in this area. So today I wanted to come to you to give you a video just to show you where you need to be, the key places you need to be in order to land a job these days. Because as we know, the government is not giving out unemployment like they were. We're not printing out money, giving out stimulus checks. We're actually heading towards a recession right now. So the most secure thing that you could do is get a job somewhere. And the first steps is knowing exactly where you need to be in order to put yourself in a position to be open to the opportunity of getting a job. So today I'm gonna just give you 5 key places. So let's just roll right into it. Number 1, you probably heard of this one. It's the biggest platform on the internet. It's LinkedIn. You gotta be on LinkedIn. Your profile has to be nice, have to have a nice professional profile picture. Depending on the job, if you're in the tech industry, you want to wear some business casual, put that in your headshot. If you're an engineer like myself, you might want to wear a suit with a nice tie or something like that, just to show that you're professional. You want to have a nice, clean resume, listed on your profile. That way recruiters can stop in and take a look at it. Make sure you highlight your key skills. Honestly, I think having a LinkedIn profile is probably one of the best things that you could do as a professional, just because it gives you that exposure and gives people the ability to see, the more personal side of you. They're not just looking at this, sheet of paper guessing who you are. They can actually see what you post, the things that you like, your interests and your skills, right off bat. So number 2, this is the biggest recruiting website in the whole world. Globally, and it's Indeed. You got to be on Indeed. Over 200 million employers are on Indeed. So if you're not on Indeed, you pretty much, to me, it seems like you don't want a job. You got to put your resume out there. That way you get that exposure. I understand that, that it's a new wave. You're not used to, applying to these, external platforms, third-party platforms, but they've built several, sites to where you can kind of all come to one spot and find the best talent. So in order to stand out, you got to be on those sites. So you got to be on LinkedIn, Indeed. Number 3, this is a good one. This is actually a very unique site. The name of it is Glassdoor.com. So Glassdoor, I actually like this because you can see more about the employer as well. So other than just uploading your resume and getting exposure to the employer, you could also see what some of the current and past employees are saying about the company. That way you even know before you even apply or accept the job, some of the feedback, and they even give a scaled rating from 1 to 5 of the company's, leadership, the management there, the work environment, work-life balance. So I like to read it sometimes just to see, other people's perspectives from other places, that way I can kind of apply it to where I'm at. Another place, number 4, this is going to be number 4. Careerbuilder. This is kind of an old platform. It's not, marketed heavily. They don't have a large budget on marketing, I don't believe, but it's been around for a while and it helped millions of people get jobs. I think it's been around like 20 years. So that's a good site to be on. It's got a good foundation, has a good following, but it probably just doesn't have as much, notoriety as these other places that I've named. And then last but not least, you want to be on Ziprecruiter. Ziprecruiter, to me, I see it more as like a smaller version of Indeed, pretty much like the same concept. They're just a little bit newer than Indeed, I believe. Indeed just has a larger platform. It's kind of like Instagram and TikTok or something, but TikTok is kind of blowing up, so that's kind of a bad comparison. It's probably more like Facebook and MySpace. But that might be too much of a bad comparison because ZipRecruiter isn't like dead. It's not like MySpace. But you know what I'm trying to say. ZipRecruiter is just a smaller version of Indeed. So yeah, so you want to be on LinkedIn, number 1. Got to be on LinkedIn. Number 2, have to be on Indeed. Number 3, also get on Glassdoor, read those reviews, see if you even like the company. You might want, interview the company yourself and make sure that's a place you want to work at. Number 4, be on Careerbuilder. They're a very established site. And number 5, you want to be on ZipRecruiter. Very similar to Indeed. So, yep, that's all I got for this one. And make sure you like, subscribe, and share it with somebody if you know somebody trying to get a job. Help your friends out. So, thank y'all. Peace.